Yes, good evening all. So this is the video lecture on Django and Python web development course. So we are going to discuss in today's class. We have learned till now about the HTML basics, both level 1. So in this class, you are going to have a assessment on what are the concepts we have gone with the HTML level 1. Okay, so to practice all your new skills, you will be viewing an HTML file. Okay, so code will be written in the HTML file and recreating it based on what you see in the browser. So I will run that particular file. So once you open that particular file, you have to see the contents and write the code. Okay, so that file we call it as HTML level 1 assessment.html. Okay, so file name is represented as level 1 assessment. Okay, so now you come for the solution part. So solution part, we are going to execute the same thing in using Autumn Text Editor. So kindly open up the Autumn Text Editor. So under Autumn Text Editor, you open that HTML level 1 assessment. Okay, so when you open this particular thing, so run that particular code on the web browser. Okay, so when you open that in the web browser, how you are going to see? So you will go with the edit and take copy path. So copy that particular path and you run on the web browser. So when you double click, so go on the web browser. So paste that particular content and click enter. Okay, so this is the web page what you are going to see. So here we have, this is considered as heading, paragraph. Next we are going for a link and adding a image path. And also you can have a image link. Okay, how to create an image link in this particular session. So kindly minimize this HTML web browser. So go for the content. Okay, go for open the HTML as well. So Autumn Text Editor you are going to open. So take that one as, go for file, new file. So under new file, you save the contents using save button. So this one you are taking it as assessment.html. So take the content as assessment.html and click on save button. So when you go with the assessment, so kindly you have to see so how the contents of the website you are getting. So first you are getting the title. Okay, before you go for the HTML, so first you have the HTML tag. So type on HT, so it will show you the HTML contents. So come for the web browser, see the title what you have given. So title part, we are giving the word as assignment. So that's why you come for the title part and type the word assignment. Okay, so have the word assignment here. So what is the next part? Come for the body part. So title part, what is the name given? It is assignment. So all this will come under body part. So under body part, what is the first you are getting? Welcome to my website. It is given under bold. So take this one as a heading. So heading, you have H1, H2 up to H6. So in that you can go with any heading tag. So here I will be taking H2. So heading. Okay. So what is the heading you are going to have? Welcome to my website. So copy that particular content and paste it here. Okay. So that is the heading tag you have created. So after the heading tag, what is the next thing you have? There is a single line of statement. Here you can see from the first line and second line, there is a space. Okay. So kindly after that, you leave one particular space. So that will come under line number 9, you have left. So line number 10. So under line number 10, what is the thing you have to get? I'm excited to eventually learn Django. So copy this particular content and it is one of the sentence. So what is the tag you are going to take for the sentence? So you take it paragraph tag. So paragraph tag is used for the sentence. Okay. So kindly save this particular thing and I'm excited. Okay. So after the paragraph, what is the next thing you are having? So here is a link to official Django website. Okay. So how to have the link from one page to another page? So if you are going to have the one page to another page, you use a tag. So a tag is used for the anchor tag. So refer from one page to another page. So give a, type a, here you can find it as anchor. So anchor tag you are giving. So when you, here is the link to official Django website. So what is the Django website? When you click, it should go for this particular link. Keep in your mind, when you click, it should go for this particular link. So kindly copy that particular link here. So copy and here you give it paste. So Control V. Okay. So what is the content you should have? So content is given as, here is the link to official Django website. So this is the content you take. So kindly copy this particular thing and paste it here. Okay. So here is the link to official Django website. So that is given href. So now you come, another single space is given. So I have left one particular line. So next page, next you come for the next line. Here is the picture of the Python logo. Okay. So here is the picture of the Python logo. It is a single statement. So that's why you are going to have a paragraph. So if it is a single statement or group of statements, so take the paragraph tag and paste that particular. Here is the picture of Python logo. So for that, after that, now you have to add an image for that one. Okay, so this particular image is to be given. So search for this particular image on the Google. Okay, so for that I am going here. So type it as Python logo. So images. So under that you are having so many images here. So under images, this is the image TM. TM means trademark. So kindly copy that particular, go for the word copy image address. So copy image address, type image here. Okay. So under the source, you give that particular link. Okay. So this one will create an image link. So after that, what is the next thing we have? This image will come. So now you have another statement. Here are the 3 reasons Django is cool. So for that one, you go with a copy. It is a single statement. So what is the tag you are going to have? We have p tag, that is paragraph. So paste your particular content. Sorry. /p, enter. So after this, now you have 3 points given in numbers. So as it is in numbers, we have seen 2 types of list. One is ordered list, the other one is unordered list. Ordered list you are using OL and unordered list you are using UL. So these are the tags. But here you are giving 1, 2, 3. So you take this one as ordered list. So for that I will be taking OL. OL is nothing but ordered list. So under that you have the list of items. So list of items, first one is copy this particular content ridiculously fast and give the contents here, Control V. So what is the next list you are having? So it is reassuringly secure. So copy this content and add that particular word. So what is the third list item you are having? So it is scalable. So copy this particular thing and paste it in the browser. Okay, so now list has been created. What is the next you are having? So there is a single statement given in bold. Okay. So for that, you copy that and you can have the header. So you can take H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. For now, I will be taking H4 and kindly you are saving this particular content. So H4 bonus, you have given that particular thing. So now can you figure out how to make a picture a link? Okay. So if you click on the image, you should go to the particular link. Okay. So go for copy. This is a single statement. So give it using paragraph. So paragraph, you go and say this particular thing. Okay. So what is the last part you are having? This is an image. Okay. When you click on this particular image, so it should go to this particular page. Okay. So here we have taken a link. Okay. So here you have typed it as link. So it is going to take to djangoproject.com. And at the same time, if you click on this particular image, it is going to take you to djangoproject.com. So first you should have this particular image. Okay. So go for the A anchor tag. So anchor tag, it is going to which particular page? So what is the, when you click on this, what is the link it is going? It is going for the djangoproject.com. So copy that particular thing and paste it in reference. So what you use the word href. So href means HTML page reference. So you are typing this particular thing. So href. So under that, now you open that particular image. Okay. So go for the image. So the source, that particular image is been stored here, django.png. So go for the word django.png. So this is the source we have taken. So if there is nothing, you will be having the alt button. So what the alternate will tell, if the particular image is not found, then we go with the alternative. So if it is missing something like that, you will be having alt. Understood? So this is a href you have taken. Okay. So when you click on this particular image, it should go for this particular link. Okay. So kindly this. So that is the come for this. So it is the only thing we have. So kindly I have written the code for each and everything. Save this particular code. So go for file and take the word Control S to save the contents of the thing. Next, go for edit, copy path. So once you go for edit and copy path, open in the web browser, and here you can paste that particular thing. So when you run, so it will show you, welcome to my website. Just you can compare. Just compare the given input file with the output file what you have generated. So here it is in broader. So this one, it is given, I have given for here, they have taken H1 tag. So for our assignment, I have taken H2 tag. So that's why the space what you are having is been reduced. Okay. Next, you are having this statement. Here is the link. So here is the link. So when you click on link, it will go for the djangoproject.com. So after that, picture. So you have added this particular picture for that one. So here also you can add the picture. Okay. So next you come for the contents. 1, 2, 3 bonus can you. 1, 2, 3 bonus can you. So under that I have given the link. When you click on the link, it will go for the djangoproject.com. Okay. So this is up to assessment 1. So in this particular assessment, you are having how to link. First thing, how to create a link from one page to another page using text document, and how to give the paragraphs and make use of ordered and unordered list, and also linking and referring to a particular website using image. So using that particular thing, you have created the assessment file. So this is the assessment file what we have taken. So this is up to HTML level 1. Okay, so we have gone with the basics concept. So remaining thing, so level 1 assessment with the solutions is being discussed here. Okay, so after that, now you come for the next thing. Go for the level 2. Okay, so HTML level 2. So till now we have seen how to create an image, add the image through a link, and how to create the paragraphs, list, nested list using ordered list and unordered list. So now you come for the HTML level 2. Okay, so we have reached the HTML level 2 of the HTML. In this section will consist of tables, table quiz, forms, and assessment test. So these are the things what you are going to learn in the HTML level 2. So once we have finished this section, that means once you finish tables, quiz, and forms, you go with the word assessment. After you finish with the HTML level 2, so you will start with the CSS. So while HTML may seem pretty basic, we needed to build a good foundation for our knowledge. Okay, so let's get started. So now you come for the part 1, that is tables. So what are all the things we see? The first part. So in this level 2, tables, forms. Okay, these are the two concepts we are going to discuss. So go for the word tables. Part 1, it is tables. Tables in HTML will consist of several tags working together. Okay, so first you will be having table. With a table, columns will be given inside T head. So if you are containing a table, so each table will have column. Okay, all the rows will be containing the values for the columns. Okay, so all the column names are to be given in the word T head. So T head, so under that you will be getting TR and TD. So T head you will be having all the column names. Under TD you will be giving all the values. So let's construct a table to understand all of this. Okay. So now we are going for a creation of the table. So how to create a table? So go for the Atom text editor, go for file, new file. Under the new file, you take it as plain text will be chosen. Defaultly, you go with the word HTML. So under that HTML, so first you have the word HT. So HT will give you the entire content. So title page. So title page, you'll be having the word table page. Okay. So this is the table page what we have taken. And before going, kindly save the program using your file name. So go for the word save. So under that, now you come for the desktop. So create a new folder, file. So new folder. So give it as HTML level 2. So open it, and in that you give it as tables.html as a file name. So tables.html you have given, kindly save the content. So this one is saved in tables.html. So this is the title page you will be having. So under the body, you give H1 demo of tables. Okay, so you give the content. So kindly save this particular thing, edit, copy path. So let's see how this particular page is going to view in this HTML. So kindly go with this file. So here the title, we have given it as table page, and under body, you have given demo of the tables. Okay, so now you come for the content. So create a table. So for press T, you will be having table. Okay, so under the table, you give T head. Okay, so table head means all the columns of the table you will be getting. So T head. So under that table header cell. So TH is the column, you give the column names. So you can take it as USN. So similarly, you can go with a table header cell USN name. So similarly, you can have TH address like that. Okay. So these are the things you have taken. So kindly, this is the table header. So kindly save the contents and run. So you'll be getting 3 columns. One is USN, the other one is name, the other one is address. Now for each of the column, you have to insert the values. So in order to insert the values, come outside the T head. So coming outside the T head, you give TR. TR means table row. So for row, you have to give the values. So that will be given using table cell. So TD, USN you have taken like 033. So next, again, what is the next one? It's the name. Name you have taken it as something called ABC. Next, take the next table cell. So you give the address as something. Okay. So this is the thing you have taken. That means I have given only one row values. So save and run your particular thing. Here you are getting 033, ABC and TTR. Understand? So this is the table what you have created. Okay. So that is TR. So suppose if you want the next table row, so take TR. So under the TD, you give value 022 as USN. Next you take TD. So give in GK as something called name. So next you take TD. So you give SBC. Okay. So this is the table. So save these contents and run that particular thing. You'll be having this values. So next you come for the applying the border. So take border. So border is equal to 1. Okay, when you run this save, so that means you will be applying the border for the contents. Now you can see everything is inside the boxes. Okay, so can you see this? Every value is given inside the values. So this is the demo of the table you have taken. So, or you can go with the border is equal to 2, save the contents and run the particular program, the border. Okay, if you want to see, observe the contents, you give the border as 5. So border is equal to 5. So you can see this is the border you have applied. Understood? So this is the how you are going to create the tables. Understood? So this is the demo what you have done, the basics tables. So like that you can have n number of values for each and every table. So you have to go with a table tag T head. So T head will stands for the headers. That means the column names of the table. So here we have 3 columns, that is table headers or USN, name and address. Okay, so all this we call it as table headers. So under each table you are going to give the value. So that is table row. So table row, this is row 1, this is row 2. So row 1 is going to take the value. USN is given one value, name is given other, address the other. So this one we use, you give using TD. So TD means table division cell. Okay, so table division, TR means table row. Inside the table row, you'll be having table division cell. So you give all the values. So this is up to creation of the table with a border. Okay. So using border, you can go with a n number of values. So when you give the table border is equal to 10, here you can see like that. Understood. So this is up to the demo of the tables. So kindly save this offer file and save the contents. And whatever you do and create in this tables.html, you save the entire contents in your GitHub account, what you have created in the second class. Okay, so this is up to the level 2, that is tables. Save the contents before you close. So this is up to today's class. In tomorrow's class, we will be seeing something features like forums and some other examples like tables. Okay, so I'll be ending this particular lecture. See you in the next upcoming lecture. Thank you.